Okay, welcome to the next Blender tutorial. So today we are going to be looking at smudging lighting within Blender. So we're going to take this default cube right here. Let's go for Principal BSDF to emission. Change our render engine to cycles. Let's go with G. Bring this up. And we're going to go ahead and just Shift D a couple of these over. So what we need to do now is let's go ahead and view, align camera to view. We'll press G. So we need to give that nice little cinematic smudge. So let's go to the data section, depth of field. Use the little eyedropper right there. You want to take down your depth of field, and then go ahead with ratio and just turn it down. And now we have blurred kind of lighting in the back as such. So when we render this, we should have something like this. So that's how you blur the lighting in the back. Please subscribe and follow and all that jazz, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.